In 2023, a group of researchers from the College of California, Berkeley, made a frightening revelation about the eternal jellyfish, Turritopsis dohrnii. These little animals can turn around their maturing cycle and basically become interminable. The researchers found that the undying jellyfish has a unique quality called telomerase that permits it to fix its DNA. At the point when most cells age, their telomeres, the defensive covers on the closures of DNA strands, abbreviate. This in the end prompts cell demise. Be that as it may, the undying jellyfish's telomerase can revamp the telomeres, basically making the phones godlike. This revelation has suggestions for human maturing. In the event that researchers can sort out some way to enact telomerase in human cells, it could prompt new therapies for age-related sicknesses like malignant growth and Alzheimer's. The disclosure of the godlike jellyfish is a significant forward leap in the field of maturing research. It can possibly change how we might interpret maturing and to foster new medicines that could end up being useful to us live longer, better lives. Here is a more itemized tale about the revelation. It was a cold and blustery day in February 2023 when a group of researchers from the College of California, Berkeley, accumulated in the lab to direct an examination. They were concentrating on the everlasting jellyfish, Turritopsis dohrnii, a little animal that can switch its maturing interaction and basically become interminable. The researchers had a speculation that the undying jellyfish's capacity to switch maturing was because of an exceptional quality called telomerase. Telomerase is a protein that fixes the telomeres, the defensive covers on the closures of DNA strands, in cells. At the point when most cells age, their telomeres abbreviate. This in the end prompts cell demise. Be that as it may, the eternal jellyfish's telomerase can modify the telomeres, basically making the phones everlasting. To test their speculation, the researchers uncovered the undying jellyfish to a substance that hinders telomerase movement. They expected that this would make the jellyfish age and kick the bucket. Nonetheless, amazingly, the jellyfish didn't progress in years. All things considered, they stayed youthful and solid. This was a significant leap forward in the field of maturing research. It showed that telomerase is fundamental for the everlasting jellyfish's capacity to switch maturing. It additionally recommended that enacting telomerase in human cells could prompt new therapies for age-related sicknesses like disease and Alzheimer's. The researchers' revelation is still in its beginning phases, yet it can possibly reform how we might interpret maturing and to foster new medicines that could end up being useful to us live longer, better lives.